As we stand at the cusp of a new era, the quest for clean, sustainable energy has become paramount. Fossil fuels, with their detrimental effects on our planet, are no longer a viable long-term solution. The need for a bold, innovative approach to energy production has never been greater. Enter space-based solar power, a revolutionary concept that promises to redefine the global energy landscape. Imagine a future where energy flows freely from the heavens, unconstrained by earthly limitations. This is the promise of SBSP, a game-changer in the truest sense of the word. SBSP offers a tantalizing solution to our energy woes, harnessing the immense power of the sun in the vast expanse of space. Unlike terrestrial solar power, which is limited by weather patterns and the Earth's rotation, SBSP can provide a constant, reliable stream of energy, day and night. This revolutionary technology has the potential to transform our world, paving the way for a cleaner, more sustainable future. At its core, SBSP is a symphony of cutting-edge technologies working in perfect harmony. The process begins with massive solar panels positioned in geostationary orbit, some 22,000 miles above Earth. These panels, bathed in the sun's unfiltered rays, capture solar energy with unparalleled efficiency. Once captured, this energy is converted into electricity and then beamed back to Earth via microwaves. These microwaves, unlike harmful radiation, are a safe and efficient way to transmit energy over long distances. On Earth, receiving stations strategically positioned across the globe capture these energy beams. These stations then convert the microwave energy back into electricity, feeding it directly into the power grid. The entire process, from capture to distribution, is designed for maximum efficiency and minimal environmental impact. SBSP represents a remarkable feat of engineering, pushing the boundaries of our technological prowess. While the concept of SBSP has been around for decades, it is China that has taken the lead in transforming this ambitious vision into reality. With characteristic determination, China has outlined a clear roadmap for SBSP development, setting its sights on an ambitious timeline. By 2028, China plans to launch a demonstration SBSP system, a crucial step towards their ultimate goal. This demonstration system, a testament to China's engineering might, will pave the way for a fully operational SBSP station by 2030. This ambitious project, if successful, would make China a global leader in space-based energy, with the potential to reshape the geopolitical landscape. China's commitment to SBSP is a clear signal of its ambition to become a dominant force in the future of energy. China's rapid progress in SBSP has sent ripples of concern through the US, prompting calls for a more robust response. Experts and policymakers alike have warned that the US risks falling behind in this critical technological race, with potentially dire consequences. The prospect of relying on another nation, particularly a geopolitical rival for a crucial resource like energy, is a scenario the US is keen to avoid. In response to this wake-up call, the US has begun to ramp up its own SBSP efforts. Private companies, sensing the enormous potential of this technology, have taken the lead, investing heavily in research and development. These companies, driven by the spirit of innovation, are developing key components of SBSP systems, from high-efficiency solar panels to advanced microwave transmitters. This surge in private investment is a welcome sign, but the question remains, can the US catch up? Section 5. The strategic imperative securing a bright future. The stakes in the race for space-based solar power supremacy could not be higher. This revolutionary technology has the potential to reshape the global balance of power, both economically and strategically. Nations that control access to this abundant, clean energy source will hold a decisive advantage in the 21st century. They will be less reliant on volatile energy markets, less vulnerable to energy disruptions, and better positioned to lead the global transition to a sustainable future. Moreover, space-based solar power has significant implications for national security. Imagine a future where military bases, powered by beams of energy from space, are no longer reliant on vulnerable supply lines. Imagine a world where disaster relief efforts, fueled by the boundless energy of the sun, can be deployed rapidly and effectively anywhere on the globe. This is the transformative potential of space-based solar power, a technology that could redefine the very nature of power projection. Section 6, Economic Powerhouse, Igniting Growth and Innovation. Beyond its strategic implications, space-based solar power also holds immense economic promise. The development and deployment of this technology will create countless new industries, generating millions of high-paying jobs worldwide. From the manufacturing of solar panels and satellites to the construction of receiving stations and power grids, space-based solar power will fuel a global economic boom, ushering in an era of unprecedented prosperity. Moreover, space-based solar power has the potential to democratize access to energy, bringing power to remote and underdeveloped regions of the world. This will unlock economic potential, improve living standards, and foster greater global stability. The economic benefits of space-based solar power are undeniable, making it one of the most promising technological advancements of our time. Section 7. The challenges ahead, a steep climb. Despite its immense promise, the path to realizing space-based solar power's full potential is not without its challenges. The sheer scale and complexity of these projects require massive investments, technological breakthroughs, and global cooperation. Launching and assembling massive structures in space is no small feat, and overcoming the technical hurdles associated with wireless power transmission will require sustained innovation. Furthermore, the regulatory and legal frameworks governing the use of space for energy production are still evolving. International collaboration will be crucial to ensure the responsible and equitable development of space-based solar power. Overcoming these challenges will require a concerted effort from governments, private industry, and the international community. Section 8. Bridging the Gap, a call for action. For the United States to catch up in the race for space-based solar power dominance, a bold and decisive approach is needed. First and foremost, a unified national strategy with clear goals and timelines is essential. This strategy must prioritize space-based solar power as a matter of national importance, aligning the efforts of government agencies, private industry, and research institutions. Increased funding, both public and private, will be crucial to accelerate research, develop key technologies, and support the construction of demonstration projects. Collaboration with international partners will also be essential, both to share costs and to establish common standards for space-based solar power development and deployment. The United States must leverage its strengths in innovation and technological prowess to regain its leadership position in this critical field. The time for complacency is over. The future of energy awaits. Section 9. Conclusion. A race for the future. The race for space-based solar power dominance is not merely a competition between nations, it is a race for the future of humanity. The decisions we make today will determine the course of the 21st century and beyond. Will we seize the opportunity to harness the limitless power of the sun, ushering in an era of clean, abundant energy and unprecedented prosperity? Or will we allow short-sightedness and inaction to relegate us to the sidelines of history, dependent on dwindling resources and vulnerable to the whims of others? The choice is ours to make. The time to act is now. The future is in our hands.